You see this door here? That door separates the inside from the outside. Behind it is the inside, which is air conditioned. But my girlfriend and her friend, who are staying here this weekend, don't seem to give a fuck and keep leaving it open.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm okay.
Here she comes.
He wants to go out.
All right, I went and printed out my electrical utility bill. There it is. $392 last month. I'm gonna stick it in the door. Will you grab me a Spindrift?
Yeah.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. Close the door.